Haiti for a few days, and we've experienced a lot of personal interaction.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We've seen a lot of catastrophic damage here in Haiti. But most of all, and most importantly, we found out a people that refuse to give up.
11, 12, 14, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Each day we go out, we see people with a backdrop of a catastrophic earthquake. Something your mind can't fathom unless your eyes see it. You can imagine it, but it's nothing like your imagination can imagine it until you open your eyes and see it. One day, they had an earthquake. The next day, everyone in Haiti got up and did what they did to survive. From the youngest to the oldest, they do every day what we take so much for granted. To them, this is home. To us, it may seem like an impoverished area, but to them, this is where they live. Their little huts, they're little made out of paper, plastic. That's their home, and they create a home out of anything. And what you see behind you is a vast land of beauty. It may seem horrific because of an earthquake, but it's a beautiful land and a beautiful people. And they go each day and they live their lives. And the lives of some of them have gotten much better and will continue to get better with your help. So donate. It's income tax that you can write off, so just give. This is Wendell Green signing off in Haiti.
The Haitian people have become a blessing to the world because they become the world's wake-up call, our light in the middle of humankind's selfish ways. The earthquake in Haiti has brought all of God's children together as a people for the first time in many, many years. We, the people of the world, share our love with a nation of people whom we've never met, except in our own hearts.